Want to turn your driving skills into cold, hard cash? Then stick around because we're diving deep into how you can become a Walmart Spark driver and start earning. First things first, you'll need to download the Walmart Spark Driver app. It's available on both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. Just search for Walmart Spark Driver and hit that download button. Now, let's talk rides to be a Spark driver. Your vehicle needs to meet specific requirements. Generally, you'll need a reliable car, SUV, or truck that's in good working condition. Check the Spark Driver app or website for the most up-to-date vehicle guidelines, as they can vary by location. Time to apply. The application process is straightforward. You'll need to provide your personal information, including your name, address, driver's license details, and social security number for a background check. Be accurate and honest. This is super important. Speaking of background checks, Walmart will run one to ensure you have a clean driving record and no criminal history. Is a standard procedure for all delivery services. Once approved, you'll receive delivery opportunities through the app. These opportunities will show you the pickup location at Walmart, the delivery address, and the estimated earnings for that trip. Decide which deliveries fit your schedule and earning goals, and accept them in the app. The quicker you accept, the higher the chance of getting the delivery. So, how much can you actually make? Earnings vary based on location, demand, and how often you drive. Some drivers make a few extra $100 a month, while others are pulling in a full-time income. It all depends on your effort and strategy. And that's it. You are now on your way to being a Spark driver. For more details and to start your application, check out the Walmart Spark Driver website. Happy driving and happy earning.